on the brakes. We've seen this crash. Well, that went so early. So early. That's just got to be cold front tyre there, hasn't it, on the left-hand side. Bastianini in the big scuff marks on the back of his leathers. So that's her third crash. It's been a really up and down weekend for the Italian on that year-old Gresini Ducati. That's his third spill of the weekend so far.
Oh, Bobier! Goodness me, that is as close as it gets. Look at him shake his head. Oh my gosh. Deary me. Change of leathers for Bobier, please, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, this is the moment for Bobier through turn 2. Look at that. Wow.
Gosh, I don't think Bobier's got a flat track background, but he might as well have with that. Gosh. Fair enough.
It's Garcia, he's not going to hang on to that, surely. No, he doesn't. Garcia tried his best to hang on to that. It's going round turn 14. And unfortunately, Garcia wisely letting go of that. So the current leader in the session, second in the championship, also joins the list of crashers. Just saw the rear come round on him, and despite his best attempts, there was absolutely no way of saving that.
Oh, on the white line, slippery as you like. Look at this. He's on the curb, on the white line, and how on earth has he stayed on board that? Whoa! How on earth did he save that? That was even better than the Martin save.
He's touched the white line and he's gone way off track.
Wow, that was a monumental scare.
Oh, wow! No way! Oh my goodness me! Wow! Oh my goodness, that is extraordinary! He's into pit lane as well! Goodness me! Oh, Bo Bensnader, take a bow! Randy Mamal will be all over that on Instagram.